Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about tretinoin, what are its uses and what do you mean by tretinoin, their benefits on the skin, their side effects, and also how to use it properly into your skincare routine. If you are new to this channel, my name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Mengur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. So what is tretinoin? Tretinoin is all-trans retinoic acid, and it is prescribed for the people who have acne problem, and it is used in the form of gel, cream, and ointment. So basically tretinoin is used for the application on the skin, and when it penetrates into your skin, it turns on the cell turnover. So this regulates the cell production, proliferation, and also cell differentiation. So when this happens, so new cells are coming on the top and the old cells which were on the top layer are getting exfoliated. So that is when you start to see that you are getting dry patches all over your skin. So that is when the tretinoin is doing its job. It is exfoliating the dead cells and also the old cells which were damaged. So basically its studies is done for the acne treatment, for regulating the cell production, and to bring that flawless finish to the skin. And also in the photoaging where you have sunspots, blemishes, and it also cures it by regulating the cell turnover. It is such a powerful ingredient. It penetrates into your skin and also regulates the production of collagen as well as elastin. So when there is production of collagen and elastin, so when you have a old skin, so it's ruptured and the collagen has been broken down, elastin is not in form, so that's when you have wrinkles and saggy skin. But when you have a younger skin, if you see, there is high amount of collagen, there is proper elastin, so the skin is holding in a proper shape, it's rigid. So that is when you have a younger looking skin. So that is how tretinoin helps in proliferating the production of collagen and elastin, making you look youthful and younger. Tretinoin is actually used for the treatment of pimples, blackheads, whiteheads, wrinkles, and also scars on your face. So basically it's a very powerful ingredient, as I keep telling you that. And the things that it has promising results for the skin, if not used properly, can have adverse effect on your skin by rupturing your skin barrier. So you need to be very careful when you are actually incorporating tretinoin into your skincare routine. There are different types of vitamin A available in the market, that is retinols. They sit on the skin and the skin enzymes as well as the receptors take up this retinols and make it into retinoic acid, and then that has a effect on the skin by improving its condition. When it's tretinoin, it just penetrates into your skin cells and helps it to proliferate, grow, and even improve the overall skin barrier function. Retinol takes a long time to show results, but whereas tretinoin shows results within 1 month of application into your skincare routine. So the precautions that you have to take while using tretinoin is that you have to use it only at the night time. It cannot be used at the daytime. So if you use it at the daytime, there is a possibility that you will have a darker skin because the cell proliferation is happening. And if those new cells come in contact with the sun, what happens is that the melanocytes gets triggered and you will have a lot of sunspots. So if you will use it in the morning time, especially where it is sunny, it can be an alarming thing. Rather use it at night time, it is much more safer. That's why retinol or as retinoic acid are always suggested to use at night time. And also they are not stable in presence of light. So you need to understand the basic chemistry behind it. So don't try to apply it at the daytime and lead to having more ruptured skin barrier rather than using it at the night time and have a beautiful skin after consequent use of tretinoin for at least a month or so on. If you want to see how to use tretinoin properly into your skincare routine, I have mentioned the video in the description below. You can check it out and understand how exactly to use tretinoin into your skincare routine. Basically, tretinoin are not prescribed for the females who are pregnant. It is because the tretinoin can get into the bloodstream and then can affect the fetus formation, and that can also be a problem while the delivery. So retinol or retinoic acid are actually not prescribed for the female who are pregnant, so it would be better that if you are pregnant, avoid all retinol products instantly and just not use it, because that is gonna cause problems in your fetus development. First research of tretinoin was done ages ago, and it showed promising result for the anti-aging purpose, as it cured the fine lines, even the wrinkles, and also the blemishes mark on the skin, which shows a strong anti-aging ingredient in general. It is not prescribed for everyone. Basically, it is prescribed for the people who have damaged skin and have a lot of sunspots and also have acne. So the formulation is done in with the incorporation of antibiotics, the one that I have. So this is the tretinoin gel with 0.025%, which is the least percent of the tretinoin, and it is with the clindamycin antibiotic. So these antibiotic actually stops the growth of the bacteria on your skin, hence reducing the acne formation, whereas tretinoin helps to overall improve the functioning of the skin barrier and help you to look much more younger and youthful. One thing that you have to keep in mind is that you just cannot go randomly to the pharmacy and ask for tretinoin. You need to have a proper prescription for it. If you don't have a prescription, I think you should not use it, because if you don't have a prescription and you start using it without understanding how to use it, without the help of your dermatologist, it can lead to damaging of your skin barrier. If you really want tretinoin, you need to go to your dermatologist and ask for the prescription, and they will help you to understand how to use it for your skin type. For the people with acne problems, there is a different way to use tretinoin, and the people who have aged skin have different concentration of tretinoin, and they have to use it according to the dermatologist steps. Well, there are different types of tretinoin. The one that I have, as I mentioned, 0.025%. There is a 0.05% and 0.1%. So it is in a higher concentration. So people think that more is the best option to improve your skin, but actually that is not true. More will just lead to destruction of your skin cells and also rupturing your skin barrier. So be very careful when you're applying tretinoin. So I would recommend to start with a very lesser percentage, that is 0.025%, and then move ahead after a year of application of 0.025% to 0.05% of tretinoin. But usually 0.1% of tretinoin is given to the people who have very aged skin and they want to improve their overall skin appearance. So 0.1% is given to the people who are more than 50 to 60 years old, or else let's say 45 and more, and the 0.025 is prescribed for the people with 20 to 35 years of old, and 35 to 45 years of old people use 0.05%. But the thing about tretinoin is that always they start with the lesser percentage and then move ahead with the stronger percentages. You have to apply only pea-size amount of tretinoin, not more than that. And if you apply more than that, it will not cause any good effects on your skin. Just pea-size amount to dot it all over your face and then gently rub it. Make sure that your skin is absolutely dry when you are using tretinoin, because if your skin is a bit damp, then it penetrates into the deep layers of your skin and cannot show a good effect. So you just need to make sure that it is dry and it can just stay or penetrate to the upper layer of your skin, not damaging the skin cells that are deep within. How I actually incorporate tretinoin into my skincare is by washing my face gently with the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser or CeraVe Foaming Cleanser, and after that I let my skin dry properly, and then I take a pea-size amount and dot it all over my face and then gently massage it, and whatever product is remaining I apply it to the places where I have thin skin, that is my eye area, near the nose, that is the nose corners, and on the upper lip section. And after that, I let it completely get absorbed, and then I use a thick moisturizer. It can be any moisturizer of your choice, but it should not have any sort of fragrance, and it should be non-comedogenic. That you have to keep in your mind that you cannot use something with fragrance as well as comedogenic ingredients because it will not show really good effects when you're using tretinoin. So the moisturizer that I absolutely love is from the La Roche-Posay, and this is the best moisturizer if you are seeing something that can help you with Adapalene as well as the tretinoin. Always remember that sunscreen is a must if you have tretinoin or Adapalene into your skincare routine. If you avoid sunscreen, then it will be a big problem because it can also trigger your cells and lead to more blemishes and hyperpigmentation, so you just don't want that. So that is it. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and if you need any help with tretinoin, make sure that you write it in the comment section below and I will go through it and probably make a video if you have a genuine question regarding tretinoin or Adapalene. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and I will see you soon with another video. Till then, take care and bye.